I'm going to be quick here. My buddy built this bike and never rode it. Whole transmission and engine are all rebuilt brand new from top to bottom, including the crank. All new gears in the transmission. Brand new black cherry paint job, all blacked out everything. Brand new tires, brakes are all rebuilt. Fork is all brand new shocks in the back. Just a shit ton of money spent in this thing. It's got the black True Duals, solo seat. Just, it's really attractive. Runs the balls. Brand new carburetor on it. He said I only drove it a couple miles since he make sure we get some gas in this thing. Yeah. It needs nothing. Just needs someone to drive the fucking thing. Okay. Runs perfect. Doesn't need anything. All the lights work. Get on it and go. It's not smoking, it just looks like that because it's raining out. Ready to go.